Hey guys, my name is Shannon Green. I want to teach you how to draw Tinkerbell. This is a very easy project. Just follow along with me, and we can get this done, and hopefully it'll be a lot of fun for you. So the first thing that we want to do is to make a line just like I have done here, and then we're going to make another little line. It curves and goes up for her hair, and we'll make another little kind of like an S. Next we're going to draw the bottom of her face. And we're going to draw the top of her head. As you can see, I'm using a digital program, so don't worry if you have a pen and pencil. Now we're going to finish up with a little bit of her hair there. Now we're going to draw the top part of her hair to make the bun. I'm just resizing my picture here. Now we're going to start drawing her eyes. Now we're going to do some eyebrows. Now we're going to put these little circles in here inside of her eyes to show kind of like a gleam. And then we'll go ahead and fill those in. Now we're going to draw her mouth, and then we'll make a little, kind of like a, almost like a U for her cheek. And now we're going to draw a straight line and another straight line going down to start her body. Now we'll do two little curves that connect to those straight lines to show her dress. Now we're going to add kind of like a little belt on her little dress. Now we're going to do the top part of her dress. And now we'll do the little ruffles on the underneath part of her dress. I'm going to do her arms. And the great thing about this type of cartoon is you really don't have to focus too much on her hands. So we do the same thing on the other end. Now let's start drawing her legs. So we're going to draw a line down the middle. Another little line. And curve it down at the bottom. Now we're going to start drawing her shoes. And put this one kind of like it's behind it. Now, Tinkerbell, she needs wings. So let's start drawing her wings. And do the same thing on the other side. Now let's do the bottom part of her wings. Alright, there we have Tinkerbell. I'm using a program that's called Procreate. And then Procreate is it's a program that's on the iPad. I find that it's easier to do drawings with a digital format with Procreate. It makes it easier to color. There's a bunch of little extra things in there to make lines straighter and all kinds of other things, and especially with coloring, it makes it so much faster. But like I said earlier, if you have a pen or pencil and some paper, don't worry. You can still follow along with my drawings and do the exact same thing the old-fashioned way. So now let's see if we can start coloring Tinkerbell. So first we're going to try to color her hair. Oh, now look. The thing with digital drawing is we got to find, when we draw something, we got to make sure that all the lines connect. As you can see, I had to fill in a little bit of a line there. So now I should be able to color her hair, and it would only color her hair. There we go. Color the top part. Let's change some colors to the skin color. There we go. Oh, I gotta find another little break there. Let's see where that is. Oh, okay, I see it. There it is. So now I should be able to color that in. Yep. Let's change the color now to her wings. Change now to start coloring her dress. Let's make that a little darker on the bottom to show some shadow. There we go. Let's get her shoes. Just leave that little ball there white. And you can do some little extra lines in her hair if you'd like to. You don't have to. I think it just shows a little bit more detail in the hair. But if you don't want to, you don't have to. And you can do the same thing for the wings. You can add some little lines in there to show some details and make it a little 3D. Okay, guys, I really hope you enjoyed drawing Tinkerbell with me. If you would like, I'm going to continue putting some things on there, and I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Thanks.